Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring a valuable principle: never outshine the master. This gem of wisdom, often attributed to Robert Greene, is a guiding light in the labyrinth of professional and personal relationships. It's a lesson in the art of subtle influence and the power of knowing when to step back. But what does it really mean? Simply put, it's about being aware of how your actions and achievements might be viewed by those above you in the pecking order. It's about striking a delicate equilibrium between showing off your skills and respecting the established hierarchy. This isn't a call to dim your brilliance, but an invitation to shine in a way that illuminates others too. It's about understanding that your light doesn't have to eclipse others to be seen. So, with this understanding, let's look at some real-life examples where individuals have either successfully applied or overlooked this principle. Understanding when to shine and when to step back can make a significant difference in both professional and personal relationships. Consider a budding entrepreneur, eager to impress but inadvertently overshadowing their mentor during a critical negotiation. The result? A bruised ego and a strained relationship. On the flip side, imagine a junior team member who deliberately tempers their brilliance, allowing their manager to take center stage at a key presentation. The payoff? Respect, trust, and a mentor eager to champion their growth. Powerful, isn't it? This brings us to humility. It's not about diminishing your value, but acknowledging the experience and authority of those around us. It's about creating a culture of respect, fostering an environment where everyone feels valued. When we approach life with humility, we build bridges, not walls, foster collaboration, not competition, and ultimately, we shine together. Humility is indeed a powerful tool in building strong connections. But how do we apply this principle in a professional setting? Let's explore. Knowing when to take the spotlight and when to share it is crucial in a professional setting. This principle, never outshine the master, isn't about downplaying your talents, but rather it's about understanding the dynamics in place and adjusting your actions accordingly. In the professional landscape, this might mean allowing your boss to take credit for a project you've largely handled. Yes, it can feel counterintuitive, but it's about the bigger picture. It's about establishing trust and proving your loyalty. Over time, these actions can lead to greater opportunities and responsibilities. Now, striking the right balance is key. It's essential to ensure that your own achievements are recognized, but not at the expense of those in authority. This might involve celebrating your successes subtly or sharing credit with your team or mentor. Remember, never outshine the master is about navigating relationships with grace and strategic thinking. Share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for more insights on our channel.